Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using JAMOVI. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to check whether residuals are normally distributed when we perform the regression analysis. So, one of the assumptions of the regression model is the normality of residual. Normality of residuals. That means the residuals must be normally distributed. So let's see how to check it. So see here I have the data on results and library hours of 40 students. So we know that result depends on library hours. So our model is, the regression model is, result is a function of library hours. So now first go to analysis. In analysis we have the option of regression, and in regression we have the option of linear regression. So click on it, select result and move it to the dependent variable box, select library and move it to the covariates box. Now this will give us the values of coefficients. Here we have the option of save. So under this save button, let's save predicted values and residuals. Since we want to check whether residuals are normally distributed or not, I am not explaining this. You can see the previous video to check how to interpret the simple linear regression model. So in this save command, under this save button, we have predicted values and residuals. Right? And then click here. So you can see here we have predicted values and residuals. So what is residuals? How do we calculate it? See, this is original value, that is 33. This is predicted value 34.631. So therefore this residual is 33 minus 34.631. This is how these values are derived. The values of residuals are derived. Now we want to check whether these residuals are normally distributed or not. And for that, we need to perform the Shapiro-Wilk test. So go to exploration. In exploration, we have the option of descriptives. Then select residual and move it to the variables box. And in statistics, we have the option of Shapiro-Wilk test. And in plots, select histogram, density and QQ. So let's understand the result. So we need to check these two values, Shapiro-Wilk W and associated P value. So here you can see associated P value is greater than 0.05. Therefore, we fail to reject H0. And we know that H0 of Shapiro-Wilk test says that data is normally distributed. So in this case, residuals are normally distributed and we fail to reject this claim, and therefore we conclude that residuals are normally distributed. And this can be visualized with the help of histogram. See this? Histogram and QQ plot. This is QQ plot and this is histogram. So this is how we check the normality assumption for residuals. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.